Hey guys, how you doing? Today I am making a video on a adapter device that I got on Timo for this M2. Sorry for all the smudges. I know it's horrible. This is the midnight edition of the 15-inch MacBook Air that just dropped. Um yeah, it has this smudging problem, but it comes out with cleaning. But anyway, let's get back to this. This is the new Type-C 9-in-1 hub, alright? Has the PD, HDMI, USB 3.0, SD card, TF, and a USB 2.0. It's the back. It's unopened. Let's open this right here. Doing this one-handed. Echo dot. SD slot is that? I'm guessing this is where the terabyte slot goes. USBs and everything. HDMI. And Thunderbolt. USB-C, which is great because now I can use it because see, Apple decided to make the MagSafe and then two USB-Cs and the headphone jack port right here. Hey, my mouse works. This device is a go for me if it works. Let's open that. Cool, and it works. So there you go, guys. You can get something cheap, $11.99, or you know what I mean, or I think it's $12.99. Comes with like a little manual, but who uses manuals anyway? Like, you know, it's 2023. But there you go, guys. Something cheap for an expensive computer, and you don't have to listen to the internet and all these other content creators who are saying stuff, you know, oh, we need this and you need this brand only because of what. Nah, you just something cheap, reliable, boom. Gets the job done. Simple. Peace, guys.